Let us solve question number 11. On combustion of lithium, sodium and potassium in excess of air, the major oxide formed respectively are. Okay, so this question is based on oxides of S block. So when you are talking about lithium when heated with O2, it will give you what? It will give you Li2O. Sodium when heated with O2, it will give you Na2O2, that is sodium will give you sodium peroxide. Okay, if you take potassium and you heat it with oxygen, so this will give you potassium superoxide. So these are the three compounds which we will get on heating lithium, sodium and potassium with oxygen. So the answer over here is option 3, guys. Okay, based on oxides of group 1 elements. Okay, let us move on to the next question. The region in the electromagnetic spectrum where Balmer lines appear is microwave, ultraviolet, visible, infrared. So where does Balmer line appears in the electromagnetic spectrum, guys? It appears in the visible region of the spectrum. It appears where? In the visible region. So answer is option 3, guys. Very easy question, guys. Second chapter, hydrogen spectrum. Okay, let us move on. Question number 13. The ionic radii of O2 minus, F minus, Na plus, Mg2 plus are in the order. So let us look at these ions. They are isoelectronic, guys. All the 4 ions are isoelectronic. So whenever you have isoelectronic species, you look at what? You look at the effective nuclear charge, right? So what happens to the effective nuclear charge as you go from O2 minus to fluoride ion to Na plus to Mg2 plus? The effective nuclear charge keeps on increasing, right? The thing with ionic radii is what? It is inversely proportional to the effective nuclear charge. That is, ionic radii is inversely proportional to what? It is inversely proportional to the effective nuclear charge, right? So if it is inversely proportional, what did we observe over here? The effective nuclear charge is increasing, so the ionic radii will keep on decreasing. Magnesium will have the smallest ionic radii and oxygen will have the biggest ionic radii, guys. So the answer is option 3. Okay, so I hope you have understood this, guys. Okay, let us move on to the question number 14th.